What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today, guys, I have my annual iPhone unboxing. Just got this delivered just a few minutes ago. This is my iPhone XS. This is my iPhone 10, so I'm kind of curious to see. I've heard some rumors that the camera on the back of the XS is a little bit different, a little bit larger, and maybe a little bit wider than the one on this one. So we're going to do a comparison video of that after this video, but I just want to give you guys an initial unboxing to see if anything looks like different that comes in the box than what usually comes in it. I have to say, I'm not going to be that surprised if it's exactly the same as it's been the last few times they have had the boxes for the iPhone. So you can see here, everything looks pretty much the same. I got the 64GB one, also in space gray. So here we have the design by Apple information, usual stuff, same stuff in there, probably the stickers as well. And there we have the iPhone XS. Very nice. That does look like that sticks out a little bit more than the iPhone 10 does. Like I said, I'm gonna do a separate video of that. What I really want to find out is if my iPhone 10 cases are gonna fit this iPhone XS. They should. All the case companies seem to be selling them as, you know, dual-purpose cases. But we're gonna find out, and I'll put that in the next video, and I'll let you guys know just for sure to make sure to see that if that will still fit my iPhone 10 cases. All right. So besides that, we have the AC adapter here. Ooh, it actually has a different kind of finish on it. Or does it have a plastic cover? No, there's a plastic cover on it. My bad. It is not a different finish. It's still a glossy plastic finish. I was like, ooh, that's kind of nice, but it was just a protective piece around that. All right, as usual, we got our ear pods. Nothing different about that. Basic stuff right here. I will note that there no longer seems to be an adapter. So they usually always have the lightning cable to 3.5mm adapter, but there is no adapter with this anymore. So that's interesting to see that Apple is no longer including that. So you're gonna have to keep the one you have from your other iPhones if you need to use an adapter. And of course, we have our lightning cable, and that's pretty basic, normal. It's gonna last you about maybe 6 months tops before you're gonna have to replace this with something else. But I'm gonna hold on to this one because I already have cables that are not working with on my phone right now. So that's gonna be my backup cable right there. So that's pretty much it. Let me take a quick look at the phone, just for some initial impressions to see if anything else seems anything different. Or so there we go. No. I was tempted to get the gold just because I wanted to see if the gold color was a little bit different, but I'm not really the type of person that likes to use gold or have gold iPhones. My wife wants the gold one, but I kind of like the space gray. It looks pretty nice. And that bump on the back does look a little different, so I'm looking forward to checking it out. I'm hoping it'll still fit all my cases. If not, just have to get a bunch of new iPhone XS cases that'll fit that. But yep, it's the same looking iPhone. I have to say, guys, being 100% honest, this is probably my least most excited I've ever been for an iPhone 10 or an iPhone update, just because it doesn't seem much different from the iPhone 10, except with the camera. I think the camera would be the biggest difference. So I'm definitely going to be doing a comparison video, shooting video and pictures at the same time with both these. I got a little rig, so I'm going to hold both of these phones and take multiple videos. AndLl do another video of that on my channel to show you guys the actual comparison of how the cameras stack up. So the camera's supposed to be a lot better on this one than it is on the 10. So we will check that out. I'm kind of curious to see also if the Face ID is really that much faster than the iPhone 10, because obviously the XS is supposed to be quicker. So we will find out, and I'll be posting a bunch of different types of videos on my channel. So if you guys want to check those out, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to get up to date on all those videos I'll be pumping out for the iPhone XS. Not only feature videos, but also I got a bunch of cases and accessories that are coming that I'll be doing reviews for this product as well. So that's going to be it for me today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video review.